Hi there, Merch fans. This is Keith with Merch Database, and today we're talking about another video in our continuation of our series outlining some of the features and functions of the Merch Database tool. Today we're talking about basically find and replace and how Merch Database simplifies the find and replace process, looking at all of your catalog of Merch by Amazon products. With Merch Database, it's actually pretty easy to get in and find a keyword or phrase within your product catalog to look for anything related to any given keyword set, find the specific listings that apply to those keywords, and then make those edits pretty swiftly. The nicest thing is that the tool itself will search through not just one component like just the title of your listing. It's going to go ahead and look through all of your product catalog, and that includes everything pertaining to all the keywords listed in your brand, your title, your bullets, and your description for each listing. So it's going to show you anywhere within your product catalog that you can find those specific keywords or phrases that you're looking for. So a little history about this. Part of one of the biggest reasons that we built the Merch Database tool was because just as a group of people that were working within Merch by Amazon, it got very tiresome working within the just regular Amazon dashboard. I mean, if you are out there and you're using the Amazon dashboard, you know that when you type in a specific keyword, it can be hard to find the exact listing that you're looking for. And that's really was a lot of our inspiration to even begin using this tool or building this tool, was so that we could find and change listings within our accounts more efficiently. And so that kind of led to where the tool is today. A little history about the merch content policy. Going back a couple months now, back at the end of March, Amazon actually made some changes to the content policy, specifically with respect to the inaccurate product descriptions. And you can have a look at that announcement from March 29th, but basically what it talks about is changes include inaccurate or misleading product descriptions, keyword stuffing, reference to colors, effects, and textures, everything that everybody's been talking about in all the groups in terms of basically describe your design, don't describe the t-shirt. So looking at that and that content policy, the Merch Database tool can be used very effectively to go and target changes to your specific listings to then get your account within compliance for those new changes to the terms and conditions of the Merch program. So today I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of how you could easily change something or find a keyword within your catalog using Merch Database. And so let's dive right into it here. So when you log into the Merch Database tool, the first thing that you are going to see is this dashboard. This is just your overall snapshot of what's happening in your account. If you've seen some of our other videos, we've gone into more detail there. You're more than welcome to find them here on our YouTube channel. But the first thing that we want to do is go to the Manage Products tab in order to manage our product catalog, find and replace what we're specifically looking for. So that's the first step. We're going to go to Manage Products. Okay, so once the Manage Products screen loads, you're going to see basically a snapshot and different stats at the top of the page. And then towards the bottom here is where you see your actual product catalog, where you can search and manipulate the data within your Merch by Amazon account. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and we want to use our search function. So right over here in the kind of bottom right of the screen, you're going to find a search area within this Manage Products function, and here we can type in a specific keyword that we're searching for. In this example, I'm going to use the keyword of Christmas. We're going to go look for different shirts that have any part of the listing, or products I should say, any products that have any part of the listing containing the keyword of Christmas. I might want to remove if I said in a specific listing this is a great Christmas gift, or maybe I want to change something for that. So we're just using it for a specific example here, but we go ahead and type in Christmas. And you'll see, oh, there we go, got to log out. Let me log in real quick. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we want to use the keyword of Christmas. So we're going to use our search function within this Manage Products functionality of the Merge Database tool. And we're going to type in Christmas right here. And you can see as soon as you do, you get the loading data. And then when it populates, you'll have all of your listings for any products within your Merch by Amazon catalog that apply to having the keyword of Christmas within that data. And from here, it's really simple to use this tool to go ahead and make changes to your listing. The first way to make a change is within the listing itself here. All that you do is just come over here with your mouse to this purple button for the listing in question. You can click this button and it opens up one of the new Amazon editing tabs within the actual Merch by Amazon editing window there. So let's go ahead and show you that real quick. So if you want to do a single listing, you just click this edit button, boom, click that. And it brings you over here to this editing function on the main Merch by Amazon page. And here you can make changes to your listing. One other cool little tip is that within your Chrome browser, you can actually use the find function, and you can actually search for the keyword in question, in this case Christmas, and you can have a look at Chrome will actually highlight for you within your listing where that keyword is, so you can make a quick change if you wanted to. Then you can go ahead and, of course, and submit your edits for review of your newly updated product listing there. So that's the simple way of just a single listing that you want to go ahead and make changes to. That's the simplest way to do it with the Merch Database tool. Let's go ahead and go back to the Manage Product interface here. There's another way if you want to do multiple listings. Let's say you have a keyword, you want to make changes to multiple listings that applies to that phrase or keyword. Just real simply here for multiple listings, you can come through here and you can click on the products that you want to actually go ahead and change, select the ones you want, and then right here within this little drop down on the tool that says action on selected items, you can actually then elect to open those products in new tabs or new windows, whatever you want to do. You can also view the products if you don't want to specifically edit them. So it gives you some different flexibility there with however you want to manage your specific products that apply to that keyword set. So that's kind of a quick breakdown of how you can use Merch Database to really simplify your find and replace functions within your Merch by Amazon catalog. It makes it a lot easier to find something, get in there, make your changes, resubmit your edits, and then you have your product catalog updated to where you wanted to be with keeping your account within good standing or just making changes within specific listings. And that really concludes this individual video breaking down the find and replace function. Have a look at our website for a more detailed breakdown of the find and replace functionality. There's an article within our blog, so you can check that out. As always, you can find us at merchdatabase.com. Find us on Facebook at Merch Database. And we definitely ask you to please subscribe and follow us with this video series as we'll be breaking down more and more of the features of our tool in the coming weeks and months. Thanks for stopping by. All the best in your merch.